Okay, please can you tell us your name, sir?
I'm Mr. Joseph Adolo. So we are doing training for inverter installation and solar installation. This is just we are demonstrating the basic principle of installation of inverter.
Okay, please can you tell us how you do it?
Okay. This is just come close. This that for inverter 48 volts. This is the back. We have two of the inverter here. And this is the back. And this is 48 volts system DC. So whenever you want to carry out an installation, always read the back, read the voltage. Very, very important. You can see this and the AC input is telling you this is where the mess is coming, and this is the output. This is where the inverter is going to supply, and this is the battery supply. So right now we have the batteries here. We have up to 8 batteries here. So this 8 battery we are going to use for, because one of these batteries, you can see this is luminous N-RGT. This N-RGT is one of the best luminous. They have up to 3 grades, Everlast and the other last grades. But this is more expensive. So now we are going to be showing you how to connect a series. Connecting a series means that your voltage increase, your amperage remain constant. So this is what we do. If you don't know how to turn your meter, this is the symbol of DC, this line and dot V, and this is the symbol of AC. So what you want to read is DC. This is battery is DC. So right now I'm turning my meter to DC. You can see it's on DC, this is DC. So right now I'm going to take reading of this battery. This is 11.92, 11.92, 11.92, 11. Sorry, this 11.82. So this 11.77. So now I'm going to show you how to connect in series for you to have 48 volts. Each of these batteries, as I said, is 12. If you can take let's sum them when you are connecting series. 12 plus 12, 24 plus 12, so 36 plus 12 is giving you 48. So how are you going to achieve it in series? Your positive to come, you can see this is your first battery, your positive to the negative of the second one. Then you come again for this second battery, your positive to the negative of this third one. Just take a look, you can see then the positive to the negative of this. You can see just to the negative of this. So what is left now is it will be remaining this very positive and then the negative. As I told you, this is the cable, this is the DC. As I earlier said to you, this is the DC cable that is coming that is going to the battery. This is the positive and this is the negative. So right now I'm going to put my meter to read it. It will give you 40 point something. And with the 12 is going to give you, now it's supposed to give you 40 something. So right now this is it now. Okay, this is 47.1 because we have droppage 11 point something. So you can see we have droppage 47.1. It means that we are in order. So let me also tell you, you were asking me what about if you use 8 of this, we can connect 8 of this. But the 8 of this, you mean that it will also give us 48 volts. Then the amperage will increase, but the voltage remain constant. So you also ask, what about if you connect all of them in parallel? If you loop all of them, No. If at all you loop 1000 battery, 1000 of this battery, you loop them, it cannot power this inverter. because why? Your voltage will increase. Your voltage will be less static, while your amperage will increase. So what you need, you just only need 48 volts to power this inverter. If you increase the voltage above the 48 volts, it will destroy your battery. These are just basic installation. And then secondly, as we progress doing the installation, putting it in the cable rack, we are going to explain to you the size of cable, how you're going to choose your size of cable for your inverter installation. Is very paramount, because you see some residents house on fire is material. The material you use also determine the results you are going to have. And then secondly, you need, in this job, you also need a DC meter. As we progress, I'm going to show you, after the installation, I'm going to show you how we are going to use our clamp meter. So when you check the amperage of the amperage that you are using to charge your battery, so you need a DC, a stronger DC cable above 35 mm for your installation. So you can see they are preparing the cable rack. This is the cable rack. So come outside. So they are preparing the cable rack. So what next? So thank you for this video. We are creating this video for those that have interest to learn. And if you have any question on our installation, also get back to us. No, and then secondly, there are other things I also let you to know. There's what we call battery equalizer. If your inverter doesn't have that battery equalizer, you have to put your battery equalizer to a battery so that it can discharge. When your battery is discharging, they all discharge once, and when they are charging, they all charge at the same time. You also help the battery lifespan. So watch and then share our video. So these are the teams who are also learning they build their career on solar installation. So when we are doing the solar installation, we are also going to show you step by step on how we are doing the installation of the solar, the principle. One thing you should also know when we get to that stage, let's not complicate this video. Digest this one. When we get to that solar stage, we are going to also tell you the principle of installing solar, the type of cable you are going to use, the size of cable you are going to use, and the breaker you are also going to use to prevent fire outbreak. So thank you. Watch our video and also share. Thank you.